Hey guys, today we are making a quilted coin pouch. Let's get started. You need a main fabric, phomic sheet or polyester, a lining fabric, and a zipper. Now place your lining fabric right side facing down, as shown. Place foam sheet above, and then the main fabric right side facing up. Then, for quilting these 3 layers together, mark diagonal lines, using a ruler and pen on the lining fabric. You can see the full process. I will fast it up for you. As you can see closely how to mark these lines, we will move on to sewing. Now I'm just sewing on the marked lines to make a beautifully quilted piece. Sew it without any breaks as shown in the video. And once it's ready, lay it down on a flat surface. Trim off the excess sides and make it neat. Take your zipper and place the right sides together, then sew on the wrong side. Then fold it from the center as shown, and similarly sew the other end. After that, sew these 2 sides as indicated. Cut 2 small blocks from both sides as shown. Fold it like this and then sew it on both sides. After completing, flip it inside out. Now sew around the pouch just near the zip as shown. And the pouch is ready. Hope you liked the tutorial. See you in the next video.